Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Tradables. You're with CS Lakshmi Tota. So we are going to analyze how market has performed today in this video, and also let's going to discuss how whether the support levels that we discussed in our previous video is respected by the market today. And actually since last 2 days market was on crash completely with the anticipation of US Fed rate cuts. So we got confirmation late yesterday night. So US Federal Reserve has reduced the rate cuts by 25 basis points. So with that, initially market, all the indices has seen some pressure today. So actually, before actually discussing on the points, let's understand how the US Fed rate cuts impacts Indian markets. So with US Fed rate cuts, US dollar is becoming strong and also their bond yields are increasing. With that, all the foreign investors who have kept their money in our Indian markets are withdrawing since last 2 days. So that's how we are seeing the huge bearish market momentum since last 2 days, and also in turn rupee weakens. So rupee hit all-time low today by crossing 85 mark. And also there are several other reasons for the rupee weakening, being like domestic GDP lesser growth and weakening like widening trade deficit. So these are also impacting the rupee weakening. So all these factors are contributing to the market crash currently. So with that, let's see how indices perform. So in this video, I'm going to cover Nifty 50, Bank Nifty and IT Nifty. So for that, I'm taking our application as a base because this application is really providing data points which are helpful to understand what all the resistance and support levels, to understand and capture the market movements before actually our trading decisions. So if we see Nifty 50, and actually before starting the video, I want to disclaim that we are not SEBI registered and this video is purely for educational purpose, and we just want to show how our application is respecting the market movements. So Nifty 50 today it closed at 23,951. While yesterday's close was 24,198. So there is a 249 points loss, although there is initially it's seen like around 300 points loss in the opening itself. So that means with the yesterday's confirmation on the rate cuts, morning market itself opened with the gap down of 300 points and then started into the consolidation, which can be seen in this candlestick patterns. So initially after 9:15 market was into a range bound sideways market. So and ended up at 23,951. So if you remember or if you are following our videos, in our yesterday session we stressed that market, this is the big alert. So whatever the arrow mark downtrend it is indicating, so we expect market to move in that way. So we expected yesterday also it is showing big alert to the downtrend. So we expected if at all markets might crash today as well, and if markets see downfall, where will it take support? So that we have stressed in our previous video, and we confessed that it had high chances to take support around 23,811, 23,895. So in this range. So exactly, let's see today. Today's current low is like 23,870. So this is recorded at 23,870. That means if you see in our today's analytics, it touched this number and it took support around this number and then started into the consolidation. So that's how, since today's big alert is also indicating the downtrend, so my expectation for tomorrow is also might be bearish market. If it continues, then our next support level is like 23,811 seems to be my next strong support number. And with that, I want to stress this is all-time high. We have implemented this feature since last 2 days. So since our application is in development phase, so every day we are trying to bring in new features which is very helpful for traders and investors. So here it displays what is the all-time high for the Nifty 50, and these are the zones which is indicating at what percentage the Nifty 50 is like closer to the all-time high. So here it indicates current market price 23,951. So it's indicating it's 23.25 points closer to the all-time high. Like in terms of percentages, it is just far by 8.85%. So if we can analyze the market movements from this data as well, so currently 23,649 seems to be the next strong support zone, like after we missed 23,811. So with that, let's see what all index movers contributed for today's market position. So 14 out of 50 counters are on positive, just with 25 points. So majority is taken over by the negative contributors with 36 counters out of 50 at 273 points loss. So here we can see sectorial view also. So healthcare is like on positive side, but majority of all the sectors are contributed to the negative side. So we can see this data from month perspective also, since we are in the third week of the December. So month to date, this is how the data is looking. 5 out of 15 sectors are on great and 10 out of 15 sectors are doing on a negative side. So same way we can have the visibility of the year perspective. So year to date, if we say it's very strong, 12 out of 15 sectors are doing contributing to the positive side. So actually with the US Fed rates, we can understand what all the sectors are booming is like. Since dollar is strengthening with the US Fed rate cuts, and we can expect IT and healthcare being very positive note, because we see more exports in IT and pharma. So with that, our revenue will be from dollars. So that's how we benefit with this news, but rest all sectors looks like adversely affected. So I think with that, we are good to move to the Bank Nifty. So let's quickly see how Bank Nifty, so today Bank Nifty is closed at 51,575 with 563 points loss. So it's a huge loss. So if we see, yesterday it was around 52,139. Yesterday also the big alert indicated Bank Nifty to be bearish momentum itself. So based on our expert view, we expected yesterday like Bank Nifty is taking support around 52,000. So that's how exactly we can also see 51,200 level. So since our current big alert for Bank Nifty is also indicating still negative downtrend, so that means here I can see if at all my any candle in this week or tomorrow, we have only one day for the week. So if market closed below 51,272, this is my current biggest support number. So then I expect market for Bank Nifty will trade below 50,000 mark itself. So same way we can also see all-time high numbers and the levels that we are far from the all-time high. So it's just 5.31% we are far to the all-time high. So that visibility we can get from these numbers. So yeah, let's see which banks are contributing to the good and bad side. So if we see, just 3 counters have performed good with just 14 points, but 579 points. So 9 out of 12 counters are on the negative side. So same way you can get this visibility from month and year perspective. So year is like very strong, but month to date is like negative is like taking over more, because we see this bank falls in this week continuously. So that's how we are affecting in this month by the adverse impact. So yes, with that, let's see IT Nifty. So IT Nifty, yesterday's close was 45,526, while today's closed at 44,954. So IT Nifty is also fall by around 500 points. Here, although it is showing 0, there's some system glitch. So IT, although we are expecting IT in a strong zone, because for the past 2 weeks, IT was on rally, so it has super performed good. So that's how, although it is slightly on a downtrend, but we can still see IT as on a good trend, because if we see from the expert view, the numbers indicating here are on green, like from mid-term and long-term. If we compare, IT is still doing super good, but short-term looks like IT started struggling a bit. But we have to see in further trading sessions how will this move. With that, let's see what all the counters that IT Nifty has contributed today. So just Persist and Coforge and Wipro are on the downtrend, positive trend, but rest all the IT contributors are on the negative. But month to date, if we see 9 out of 10 are good, and year to date, if we see 7 out of 10 are good, with like huge points like 10,155 points appreciated for this year. So IT is really looking strong. So next year also we can hope IT perform on the same note. So yeah, with that, I think we can wind up the video. Same way how we are analyzing indices from this data, we can also get the analysis for the equity stock level also. So if you guys are having any preference stock in your portfolio, so please share with us in the comment section, so that we will try to do analysis video purely on stocks using these data points. And also I want to give one more update, like this application currently is a free trial run, so you can easily access this data by just register into our website. So it is Tradables, Tradabuls.com. so then it is just for this month end, our free trial run is gonna expire. So hurry up, log into the website and just have your analysis and share your feedback in our comment section, so that we are very happy to consider that. And yes, with that, I want to wind up this video. I hope you find the video helpful. Please, if you like the analysis, please hit a like button, and also please share your feedback and in our comment section, and please consider subscribing to our channel. And also there is a live market analysis in our channel, so during market hours also you can get market updates. So if you are interested, you can also have a watch on that. Yes, with that, we'll wind up the video. Thank you.